Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach how can you asking about the age, or how can you say how old are you in Arabic. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends, and follow my page on Facebook and Instagram. Are you ready now? Let's get starting. Hello guys. If you wanted to say how old are you in Arabic, it's so easy. But you must select. You are talking to what? Male or female? If you are talking to a male, you will say كم عمرك؟ كم عمرك؟ كم عمرك. كم it means how, عمرك it means your age, and you must put فتحة on the top of كاف letter. كم عمرك. He will reply to you about his age, and I explained a dedicated video about the numbers in Arabic. I will put it in the end of my video. It will help you how can you count the numbers in your daily life. If you are talking to a female or girl, you will say كم عمرك. كم عمرك. كم it means how, عمرك it means her age, and you must put كسرة under the كاف letter. كم عمرك. The answer is عمري after then the number of age. عمري 27 سنة. And what is your age? كم عمرك or كم عمرك. She will say عمري 30 سنة. عمري it means my age. 30 in Arabic named 30. 30 in Arabic named 30. 30. And year in Arabic named سنة or عام. Year in Arabic named سنة or عام. I can say عمري 27 عاما or عمري 27 سنة. Year in Arabic named عام or سنة. عام or سنة. It has the same meaning. You can say أنا عمري and your number of age. أنا عمري 27 عاما. Or you can say عمري directly. عمري 27 عاما or 27 سنة. I think this is a lesson. It's so easy, especially for a beginner level. If you wanted to ask the person, how old are you? Or you wanted to ask the age in Arabic, you must select. You are talking to what? Male or female? If you are talking to a male, you will say كم عمرك. كم عمرك. He will say I'm 25 years old. أنا عمري 25 عاما or عمري 20 عاما. عمري 20 عاما. 20 in 20. 20. I am 20 years old. In Arabic you can say أنا عمري 20 عاما. أنا it means I am. My age عمري. My age in Arabic named عمري. 20 in Arabic named 20. 20 in Arabic named 20. Year in Arabic named سنة or عام. أنا عمري 20 عاما or أنا عمري 20 سنة. It has the same meaning. If you are talking to a female or girl, you will say كم عمرك. كم عمرك. If you are asking me كم عمرك? How old are you, Dina? كم عمرك? I will reply to you. عمري 27 عاما. My age is 27 years old. My age in Arabic named عمري 27 in Arabic named 27 عاما. 27. It consists of 20 plus 7. عمري 27. And year in Arabic named سنة or عام. I can say عمري 27 عاما or عمري 27 سنة. Okay? If you like my video, please don't hesitate to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. If you have any question, please tell me in the below of comments. And now I'm asking you, how old are you in Arabic? كم عمرك or كم عمرك? Really, I'm so happy when I taught you this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Inshallah. مع السلامة.